I have just discovered the easiest and laziest way you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly on YouTube. This particular type of video has been going viral, attracting millions of views and generating thousands of dollars. What's truly remarkable is how easy it is to achieve this level of success. You don't even need to show your face or use your voice. Everything is automated seamlessly by YouTube's systems. And the best part? These videos are eligible for monetization, allowing you to earn money effortlessly. Moreover, this niche has less competition, making it easier for you to grow quickly and capture a significant market share. Just imagine establishing a profitable presence in a niche that's primed for success. One such lucrative YouTube niche is known as Africa Folktale. By simply sharing African stories, you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. Take a look at this channel. Within a few days of posting, their video has already garnered thousands of views. What's truly amazing is that with just 10 videos, this channel has amassed over 60,000 subscribers. Undoubtedly, they are making a substantial income. However, our focus here is on how you can create your own remarkable Africa folktale stories that will attract thousands of dollars in subscribers in a short period. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that no significant details are overlooked in the process of creating a video like this.
In a small village, Abohua, deep within a mystical forest, there was a legend of an ancient necklace that possessed extraordinary powers. They called it the Curse of the Ancestors' Necklace. It was said that whoever wore this necklace would be bestowed with incredible abilities beyond imagination, but at a great cost. The tale began many centuries ago when a young adventurer stumbled upon the hidden necklace in a long-forgotten tomb. Ignorant of its curse, the adventurer eagerly put it on, unaware of the consequences that awaited. As soon as the necklace embraced their neck, they felt a surge of energy coursing through their veins. With the necklace's power, the adventurer could move objects with a mere thought, control the elements, and even heal the wounded. The villagers looked upon the wearer with awe and admiration, believing them to be a hero sent by the gods. However, as time passed, the necklace's curse began to reveal itself. The wearer's physical appearance started to deteriorate, their once vibrant and youthful features replaced by a ghastly pallor. They became weak and frail, their life force draining with every use of the necklace's powers.
If you find that interesting, please consider subscribing to this channel if you're new here to support me. Please like and share it with others who might benefit. Before we delve into the video creation process, I want to be transparent with you. Nothing in this world comes without a cost. To achieve significant success, sacrifices must be made, as it is a fundamental law of the universe. Similarly, if you aspire to grow rapidly on YouTube and in this particular niche, you must be prepared to invest in certain aspects. These investments may include dedicating time to produce high-quality videos, maintaining focus, determination, patience, consistency, and occasionally spending some money. It's crucial for you to grasp this concept if you desire to achieve rapid success. Now, let's jump into the video creation process, which we will divide into 5 essential steps. Step 1. Idea generation. There is no story without an initial idea. You will need to come up with creative story ideas for your script. It serves as a guideline in writing your story script. There are various methods to generate ideas, such as brainstorming or conducting research to explore different sources of inspiration. However, these approaches can be time-consuming and stressful. Alternatively, you can hire individuals on platforms like Upwork or freelancer.com to generate story ideas and scripts for you, but this can be costly, especially for beginners. A cost-effective and efficient way to generate ideas is by utilizing ChatGPT, which is a free tool. So, go to chaton.ai and create an account if you don't have one yet. Ask chaton.ai to generate 30 African folktale ideas involving mystical powers. With this method, you can generate hundreds of ideas without stress. Look at the various ideas available. You can choose to write about each of them. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use number 3, the Curse of the Ancestors' Necklace. Step 2, script writing. After coming up with your story idea, you will need to generate a script. For this, we are still going to use chaton.ai for the script. You can also use ChatGPT. Generate a prompt like this, ensuring to add more details to make it look more realistic. For the purpose of this video, I will not add any details. I will drop the link to this prompt below. The script should be 1 minute long, but it could also be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or any other desired duration. It all depends on you. Step 3. Voice recording. You can decide to use your own voice to record the script or pay another person to do it for you. However, this option is time-consuming and costly. The easiest way to do this is by using 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers the best voiceover service with many voices to choose from. However, it is not free. You will need to subscribe to a plan, and the most recommended plan is this one. I will drop the link below. To get started, click here, go to the voice section, then select the voice library and apply the narrative and story tags. Search for the voice that suits your taste. If you find one you like, add it to the voice lab. Then come back here and click on speech. You can copy the script you just generated from chaton.ai and paste it here. Feel free to edit the script to make it more cool and captivating. You also have the option to adjust the voice settings according to your preference. Once you're ready, click on Generate Speech. After the speech is generated, you can click on Download. Step 4. Image Generation. We are going to use leonardo.ai to generate our image, but before we do that, we need a prompt in order to generate images for the story. To do this, we are going to use ChatGPT. Copy the story from chaton.ai and ask ChatGPT to generate a leonardo.ai image prompt for the story. Paste the story here, then press on Generate. Once generated, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and proceed to leonardo.ai. Click on Image Generate and ensure that your image ratio is set to 16.9. Then, paste your prompt in the provided space. You can also include any negative prompt to specify what you don't want to appear in the image. After making any necessary edits to the prompt, click on Generate to create the image. If you are not satisfied with the image, regenerate it again until you get the desired result. Once you have generated the image, tap on it and select HD Smooth Upscaler to enhance the image quality. After that, click on Download to save the image to your device. Repeat this process as many times as needed to obtain all the images required for your story. I will list all the image prompts I used for this story below. Step 5. Video Editing. For video editing, I will be using Capcut. You can also use any other editing software. Open Capcut and import the previously downloaded images and voice recordings. Drag the image and voice recording onto the timeline. Then, match the image to the voice recording to ensure that they are coherent together. Add some animation to the image so that it doesn't look boring. Come up here, click on Animation, then click on Combo. Select any desired animation and attach it to the selected image. Let us add some transitions. Follow this step carefully. You can obtain this video on pexel.com. We need to add a soundtrack to the video to make it sound more interesting. Go to the audio section and type Cinematic Soundtrack 1191817. Add the soundtrack to the timeline and adjust the volume. Okay, let us do the final touch by adding some captions. Click on Text, go to Auto Captions, choose your desired language, and press Generate.
In a small village, Abohua, deep within a mystical forest, there was a legend of an ancient necklace that
If you are done editing, go up here and press on Export. Thank you for watching. If you find it interesting and educational, please comment, like, and share to promote my effort.